Hello everyone, welcome to MarvelSoft School Admin. In this video, I am going to show how to edit or create the hall ticket in SchoolAdminCE software. So first I am going to show how to view the hall ticket in SchoolAdminCE software. So go to Grading System. Here click on Generate Hall Ticket. Here you have to select class and also section, and also you have to select exam or test name. Then click on PDF. See, now you can view the exam hall ticket. If you want to change or modify the hall ticket format, so go to software folder. So go to C drive, program files x86, school admin, Tomcat, web apps, again school admin, go to scripts, then click on OpenOffice folder. Here you can get the hall ticket ODT file. So you can copy the hall ticket file to the desktop, or you can save the file wherever you want. So I am copied the hall ticket file to the desktop now. Before editing or modifying or create the hall ticket format, make sure that OpenOffice should be installed in your system. So now I am going to show how to create the hall ticket as per your requirement in SchoolAdminCE software. So first you have to open the OpenOffice software. Double click on this. Here click on text document. You will get the blank page. So first you have to select the tables how much you want to create. So go here and select the tables. I'm selecting one table here. So you can adjust the table. I'm selecting two more tables in the selecting two tables again. Same. You can adjust as per your requirement. So here you can enter the school name and school address. So dollar school name, enter dollar school address, comma dollar school city, comma dollar school zip, and also the school telephone number. Dollar see, now I have changed it for this color, and next I am selecting 4 tables. See, you can adjust the table first. And next enter the admission number. dollar admission number, here class, dollar class, dollar section. And also here you have to enter the candidate's name. Dollar first name. Here you have to enter the father name. Dollar mother name. So you can adjust the table again. So you can do the bold. If you want, you can do the bold. You can adjust as per your requirement, and also you can fill the color also. And also you can create the tables for subjects, examination date, time, and RI sign. And also you can enter the note as well as per your requirements. The same thing, you can create the tables as per your school's requirement. Once you have saved the hallticket.odt file, and then copy the saved hallticket.odt file and paste it in the software folder. So copy this, then go to C drive, program files x86, school admin, Tomcat, web apps, again school admin, scripts, then click on OpenOffice folder. Paste the hallticket.odt file here. Click on replace the file in the destination. See, the hallticket.odt file is copied here. Once you have copied the freshly created hall ticket format to the software folder, then go to the software. Here, go to grading system. Then click on generate hall ticket. Here you have to select class and also the section, and also you have to select either SA or FA, that is term and test. Then click on PDF. See, now you can see the freshly created hall ticket format with the real data. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, contact MarvelSoft.